manage my body and what it was going through, and the emotions and the mood swings and not sleeping. And
interesting.
Yeah.
Okay, so he looked at, because I know he's big on nutrition. So
Yes.
nutrition,
Yes.
supplementation,
Right.
exercise, bioidentical hormones.
Correct.
Does that describe your program?
Yes.
That you're on?
Exactly.
And so you're excited. Do you tell all your friends? You're
Tell
a life
everyone.
coach. You tell
Yes, I do. I tell everybody.
and you're writing a book. Are you going to put this in the book?
The book is actually already published.
Okay.
So
What's the name of the book?
Heroes in Heels.
Is that right? And so bioidentical hormones, do you recommend that people look into it?
Absolutely. I tell everyone.
Really?
I tell everyone because, and I work with women, so I mean, so many women are struggling, and sometimes they're struggling with, they feel like, what's wrong with me? And I have everything in my life that should make me happy, and I don't feel like I'm happy. And oftentimes it's hormone related, and some of their symptoms, I'll just start to ask them, well, are you sleeping? Do you get night sweats? Oh, yeah. And so I'm like, well, here's some things you can do for that, because some of this stuff is chemical.
She's like an assistant
She's a
doctor
great,
with you.
she's fabulous.
You have
really.
to have her in the office.
But some of the stories she told
Because
me
you know,
are
look, as a
incredible.
male,
Yeah.
and I feel pretty good, and he's also my doctor, so I do a few things as well. But it sounds like an exaggeration that you can feel this good. You weren't paid for this testimonial. I mean, this is real stuff.
This is real stuff.
And so it changed your life.
Yep, it did change my life. I
You're
feel like
married too.
I'm married too. Yeah.
It's helped your relationship as well?
Absolutely. My husband, when I get to bed at night, he says, did you put on your progesterone cream?
He does?
He does. Because if there's nights that I've forgotten, or we went on vacation once for a weekend and I forgot it, and can just tell a difference immediately.
So a lot of women wait too late, get to the point where, like she says, she has these anger attacks in the car. I mean, can it be stopped earlier?
Well,
and what's your message to women?
The sooner you get started, if you're starting to have symptoms, the sooner you get started, the better the effects are. The longer you wait, it takes also longer to reverse the process. So depending on how much damage you do to your system, whether it's nutritional, supplemental, activity, and then if you're waiting too long, postmenopausally, for instance, to do the hormone replacements, it will take a great deal more time. So it's always best to get it checked early on. And we know that women start having changes right after the age of 35. And once they reach menopause, they lose close to 90% of their hormones.
Now, your new program,
Yes.
it's called The Hormone Edge, is one aspect to it. Do you feel like you have an edge now?
I do now.
It's like a little extra.
A little extra. It's almost like this secret, that, you can walk around and you just know that you've got the edge. That
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
All right. I want to thank you for coming out. Very good.
Thank you.
Great story. Another great story. Dr. Weiss, I think we have 2 more patients.
Yes.
With stories. And by the way, these stories that she tells, the anxiety and all of those things, I mean, you hear that all the time. Very common.
Very common.
Because I guess, as a layperson, we don't hear these stories. So it's very common. A lot of people, women suffering, I should say, that you think shouldn't be.
Definitely, there's a lot of women who are suffering, but there's also women who are not even aware of the fact that they are having these symptoms. They just think that it's a natural progression of aging, and they may not be as zippy as they used to. They think, well, I'm getting older. I'm now in my 40s, and obviously I can't do what I used to do when I was 20, and they just accept it.
And this is an inexpensive program for the most part.
Yes, it is.
I mean, when you look
It's
at
an
it,
investment for the life because
it's
it's
less
a
than
lifestyle.
it's about $50 a week is what it works out to be.
Something like
to
that.
be completely on a hormone program. So very, very good. I want to thank you again. So we'll meet more patients. You're watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Up next, another dramatic story. You got to hear this next one.
I have the hormone edge. No more being tired. No more fatigue.
Get the Hormone Edge. Bioidentical hormones have given me my life back.
With bioidentical hormones, I have more energy than ever.
No more migraines, no more sleepless nights.
No more fatigue, no more sleepless nights. I can't believe I waited so long. Get the Hormone Edge.
Watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. With us, we have Dr. George Weiss, an expert on bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, and one of his patients, Catherine. Catherine, welcome to the program. Thank you for sharing your story with us.
Very nice
Tell us
to be
about
here,
Catherine. You say she's a different kind of a patient.
She's a different kind of patient. She's a much younger patient who's actually in great health. I mean,
Well, she's
great
almost
shape.
40, so looks good, looks good.
Well, she's in great shape. She's an athlete. She wants to keep that edge because this is the stage where things may start changing. But the issue with her is that she's a runner. She does a lot of intense kind of activities.
5 miles?
Usually 3 to 5.
3 to 5 miles a day?
Not a day, about 3-4 times a week.
Okay, okay.
But I'm a great believer that if you overstress your body, you increase your cortisol level, it starts the aging process much earlier on.
You call it accelerated aging.
Accelerated, it's exactly what it is. And a lot of people think that they have to overwork their body to be in good shape. Unfortunately, you're doing exactly the opposite of what you should be doing. Moderate aerobic type activity like interval activity and some resistance training is perfectly okay, but you can't overdo it because you'll stress your body out too much.
Okay.
And when you're a woman, and if you do too much activity, you actually slow down some of your hormones and you can hurt yourself. You can become osteoporotic. And one of
So
the,
she's headed, prior to meeting you, she might be headed for some problems later.
a very good possibility.
So bioidentical hormones, you're on bioidentical hormones.
Right.
So tell me about what it's done for you, because you're already in good shape. You're already feeling good.
I didn't think I needed them.
Okay.
I'm 35,
Okay.
and went to Dr. Weiss. I was feeling constant fatigue. I was tired every day. I couldn't sleep at night. Insomnia. I wake up 5, 6, 7 times a night. And so he put me on bioidentical hormones, and right away I felt the difference.
Really? And also supplements. He gives supplement recommendations?
Yes.
And nutrition?
Yes.
Okay.
Fish oil supplements, which every woman needs. I didn't realize I needed anything. I didn't take anything. I noticed.
Because Catherine is young and she's in such great shape, the nutritional part was a very important component of what we looked at, and the supplementation became very important. The other thing that I must mention for Catherine, she had been on birth control pills like a lot of these other women were, and when we tested her out, one of the problems with birth control is that it can lower your testosterone level or bind it up. And it so happened for somebody who's this young, she had a fairly low testosterone level and it was mostly bound up. And one of the problems is that these birth control pills will cause all these issues. So there's a lot going on here that a lot of women are not understanding why they're feeling the way they do.
Okay, so you give her. So then what's the answer? Off the birth
first,
control pill?
we got to get her off the
or
birth
change
control.
the birth control pill?
Well, I would prefer, depending on what they need to do, if they can do without the birth control pill, I'm not saying everyone should,
Okay.
but for those who can do it and who don't have any issues about getting off the birth control pill, it would be a much better way to approach it, and then utilizing some bioidentical hormones
Okay.
if it's necessary.
Now,
If
you're a
they're-
runner and an athlete. So sorry to interrupt, but your energy, a lot better.
It's amazing.
Really?
I sleep at night, finally.
Okay, okay.
Energy during the daytime. I'm not taking naps during the day anymore. I feel constant energized. My nutrition is much better than it was before. I didn't know how to eat before.
Okay.
I didn't know what I was doing to my body.
Now, there's an anti-aging aspect to what he preaches.
Right.
Do you believe that by doing what you're doing, you're going to slow the aging process?
I do. And
do?
along with talking to Dr. Weiss, I've also done some research by myself, and he's right on with what is out there, the new research.
You're a
Information
big
that's
reader.
coming in.
We were talking
Yes.
off camera. You read
Absolutely.
all the books
I
on
don't,
hormones.
I don't
and everything
believe
else.
anything anybody tells me.
Okay.
So I need to go and research everything, and he's right on about things. And I feel better. That's the main testimonial. I feel better right now, and I
So-
believe in it.
35-year-olds, they're feeling lousy. They should get their hormones checked. Is that your message?
You have to look at everything, not just the hormones, but that's part of what we have to look at. We also have to look at their nutrition, their lifestyle, their supplementation, their activity, and then combine it all together. And if they need to get that little hormone edge or the nutritional edge, for her, it was a combination of nutrition and supplementation with a slight hormone balancing.
So would you like to see more of these type of patients? They're fit, they're athletes, but I guess with hormones, you can pick it up a notch, give them that edge, the performance edge.
I think to
And is it safe?
Well, the most important thing is to get a profile of where you stand at whatever age you are. I think to know where you're starting from, so you get a baseline. The most important thing that I would tell anybody at any age is to go see a physician, do a baseline study of where you are, both hormonally, metabolically, nutritionally, all those things. So then you have a starting point. And then, as we know, things will start changing, and you can have a reference going back to it and look at it. So yes, it's never too late, and it's never too early to look at things.
Okay, good. I want to thank you for coming on the show. Very interesting.
Thank you.
Very good. Thanks for sharing your personal story. Dr. Weiss, we have one more patient
Yes.
coming on, and more about hormones. You're watching The Wellness Hour, leader in medical news and information. I'm Randy Alvarez. Up next, another patient, and this story you don't want to miss. We'll be right back.
Thanks for watching The Wellness Hour, the leader in medical news with your host, Randy Alvarez, the authority on health issues.